This hidden gem belongs on your bucket list. Welcome to Albania. Often overshadowed by nearby destinations, Albania boasts stunning coastal vistas, breathtaking mountains, and rich history. Imagine waking up in the Riviera. You're surrounded by azure waters and golden beaches dotted with charming villages. Head inland to hike through the majestic accursed mountains. These rugged trails deliver jaw-dropping views for adventurers of all levels. Craving culture? Visit Berat, the city of 1,000 windows, filled with timeless Ottoman architecture. Savor traditional dishes like tave kosi, full of mouth-watering Mediterranean flavors. The best part? Albania remains affordable, safe, and incredibly welcoming to all travelers. Whether you're LGBTQ+, solo, or exploring with loved ones, this destination offers a peaceful escape without limits. So, pack your bags and seize the adventure. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination below and subscribe for your next journey.